The new card button on the ProCloud Whiteboard will allow you to create a new whiteboard card here without needing to use the product clipper or mobile app. Click on the new card button, then select the type of card you wish to create. We will start with an item card. When you create a new item card, the only information that is immediately required is the item name or the client description. All other details can be left blank if desired. However, when the item is to be created into a project, the project field will also be required then. When selecting a project, you can choose from existing or captured. Existing allows you to select a project that is already in your ProCloud projects list. The captured option lets you pick one from your project contacts that is still in the capture phase, which means it's still sitting on your whiteboard waiting to become an actual project. The same also goes for the vendor. You can choose an existing vendor from your ProCloud glossary or from a new one that you've captured on the whiteboard. If either the project or vendor capture cards has been transferred to another user, you will see this as a transferred type. To add an image, click on the camera icon and select to load from your computer or paste an image in that you've copied onto your clipboard. Then click OK to save the image. Enter as much or as little details as you want about the item. If you include a shipping cost, this cost will be entered as a freight component type. You can change this default setting in the Company Advanced Options General tab. Here's a little note about the unit price field. It's actually only used for reference when your project default percentage type is set to markup. When a project is in markup mode, the price entered here will not actually be saved into the item when you generate it into your ProCloud specifications. The item will actually use your unit cost along with any project markup percentage to determine the price to the client. If the ProCloud project default is set for a discount mode or that vendor used has terms associated with it, then this unit price field will actually be used, and it will complete the list price field inside the item component window. After you've completed entering the necessary information, select OK to save the item. The new item card will be added to your whiteboard. To create a new card for a client, project, vendor, or employee, select New Card, then select the card type. Let's look at a new project card. Enter a name for your project, site address, and any other details that you wish to save. The client option allows you to choose from an existing client from the ProCloud Client Glossary or a client that you've captured as a new client on your whiteboard. Before creating this new project, a client must be selected. Once you've completed entering the necessary information, select OK to save the item. The new project card will be added to your whiteboard. All new cards on your whiteboard are available to be edited, transferred to another user, or they can be selected to be created as actual entries into your ProCloud. To review more tutorials and search our knowledge base articles, please visit our Help Center under the Support menu of designmanager.com.